Hey everybody, Brock Freddy here, helping you enjoy your ride. I'm just wrapping up a Honda HR-V video. Really like the car, but something that I was thinking about while I've been filming was I want to hear what you want. I'm planning my summer filming schedule, and I'm just sitting here thinking, am I bringing you what you need? And I value your opinion extremely highly. So, what do you want? Do you want me to do full length, big walkthroughs and all those things? Do you want me to continue to bring the short little snippets? Do you want both of those? When do you want me to release the videos? I want you to basically control my schedule. If you want a particular vehicle, what if you want a convertible Mustang? You want me to review that for you? Let me know. If I can get a Mustang, I'll film it just for you. If you want more SUV footage, more trucks, more sedans, whatever the case may be, I want you to comment in the comments section below this video to let me know exactly what you need from me, because I value you so much. I could not do any of this without you. Thanks so much, everybody. And remember, the most important thing of all, have a wonderful day.